Imagine a world in which your body works at its optimal level every single day, free from harmful toxins and impurities. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it isn't. The secret lies in body cleansing, an essential practice that can dramatically improve your overall health. Our bodies, remarkable as they are, constantly accumulate toxins. Whether it's from the environment around us, the food we eat, or even the stress we experience, these toxins build up over time. But just as a car needs a regular oil change to run smoothly, our bodies need a routine cleanse to function at their best. Cleansing helps our bodies get rid of these toxins, leaving us feeling rejuvenated, energized, and healthier. It bolsters our immune system, aids in digestion, and even enhances our mood. The good news is, this world can be your reality with the help of some powerful natural drinks. First on our list is the antioxidant-rich green tea. This humble leaf, steeped in hot water, packs a powerful punch when it comes to your health. One of its key features is its high antioxidant content, particularly a type known as catechins. These potent compounds are known for their ability to fight off harmful free radicals in the body, aiding in detoxification and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. But the benefits of green tea don't stop there. It's also known for its metabolism-boosting properties. By helping to increase your metabolic rate, green tea can aid in weight loss by encouraging your body to burn calories more efficiently. Plus, it's a great way to stay hydrated without adding any extra calories to your diet. Green tea is more than just a warm, comforting beverage. It's a detoxifying, health-boosting powerhouse. So sip on some green tea and let it work its magic. Next up is the refreshing lemon water. A burst of sunshine in a glass, lemon water is a simple yet potent detoxifier. This citrus superstar is known for its role in aiding digestion. How does it do this? Well, the atomic structure of lemon juice is similar to your stomach's digestive juices, tricking the liver into producing bile, which helps keep food moving through your body smoothly. But that's not all. Lemon water is also a formidable force in boosting your immunity. It's packed with vitamin C, a vital antioxidant that protects cells from damaging free radicals. This vitamin also stimulates white blood cell production, which is absolutely crucial for your immune system to function optimally. And let's not forget about detoxification. The high vitamin C content in lemons stimulates the liver and aids in the detoxification process. It's like giving your body a mini cleanse every time you sip on this citrusy delight. Remember, a glass of lemon water a day keeps the toxins away. Third on our list is the spicy and warming ginger tea. Now, this is not just any ordinary tea. Ginger tea is a potent inflammation fighter. This zesty root, steeped into a comforting brew, carries strong anti-inflammatory properties that work wonders in reducing swelling and pain. But it doesn't stop there. Ginger is also an excellent aid for digestion. It stimulates the stomach and intestines, improving the movement of food and the absorption of nutrients. This helps to cleanse your system, making you feel lighter and more energetic. The cleansing power of ginger tea extends beyond digestion. By reducing inflammation, it helps to cleanse your body of toxins that can build up and cause disease. It's like having a personal health warrior right in your teacup. So, next time you're reaching for a hot drink, consider ginger tea. It's not just a spicy treat for your taste buds, but also a potent ally for your body's natural cleansing processes. Ginger tea, your perfect partner in your body cleansing journey. Next, we have the vibrant beetroot juice. An unsung hero of the health world, beetroot juice is packed with a plethora of health benefits, especially when it comes to detoxifying the liver. This deep red elixir helps in liver detoxification by stimulating liver cells and protecting the liver and bile ducts. It's a natural cleanser, flushing out toxins from your body like a charm. But the benefits of beetroot juice don't stop at detoxification. It's also high in antioxidants, compounds that help fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. These antioxidants, along with naturally occurring nitrates, improve blood flow and oxygen delivery, keeping your body's circulation in tip-top shape. And let's not forget beetroot juice's role in improving blood health. It's rich in iron and vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which boosts the body's ability to absorb iron and produce healthy blood cells. So not only does it cleanse, but it also rejuvenates. Give your liver some love with beetroot juice. Moving on, we have the hydrating cucumber water, a true hero. When it comes to hydration, cucumber water is not just refreshing, but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It's a cocktail of vitamin K, vitamin C, and magnesium, all of which play a vital role in your body's daily functions. But where cucumber water truly shines is in its hydration prowess. Cucumbers are around 95% water, and this high water content makes cucumber water an excellent choice for keeping your body hydrated. Hydration is vital for every bodily function, from maintaining a healthy skin glow to aiding digestion. Moreover, cucumber water can help cleanse your body. It aids in flushing out toxins, thanks to its diuretic properties. This means it encourages urination, which is one of the body's natural detoxification processes. But wait, there's more! Cucumber water also promotes weight loss and helps maintain a healthy weight. It's low in calories and high in fiber, helping to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Stay hydrated and cleansed with cucumber water. 7th on our list is the golden turmeric tea. This vibrant golden-hued tea is not just a treat for the eyes, but also a boon for your body. Turmeric, the star ingredient, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, works wonders by reducing inflammation in the body, aiding in pain relief, and combating various diseases. But that's not all. Turmeric also plays a significant role in liver detoxification. It stimulates the gallbladder to produce bile, which the liver uses to eliminate toxins. This process also revitalizes liver cells that break down harmful compounds. What makes this tea a powerful cleanser is its ability to aid in body cleansing. It enhances the body's natural detoxification system, flushing out toxins, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So why wait? Brew yourself a warm cup of turmeric tea, add a dash of black pepper to increase curcumin absorption, and savor its benefits. Embrace the golden healer turmeric tea for a toxin-free body. Last but not least, we have the potent apple cider vinegar. This humble pantry staple is a powerhouse when it comes to keeping your gut healthy. Apple cider vinegar is rich in beneficial enzymes and probiotics, which play a crucial role in aiding digestion. It helps break down food in your gut, making nutrients easier to absorb. But that's not all. Apple cider vinegar also works to balance the pH level in your stomach. It's slightly acidic and can help maintain a healthy environment in your gut, warding off harmful bacteria. When it comes to body cleansing, apple cider vinegar is a champion. It assists in flushing out toxins from your body, promoting overall detoxification. It also aids in weight loss by curbing your appetite and boosting your metabolism. This tangy tonic is much more than a salad dressing. It's a versatile elixir that can help you maintain a healthy, balanced body from the inside out. Apple cider vinegar, your gut's best friend. So there you have it. 8 powerful drinks to cleanse your body naturally. Let's take a moment to do a quick recap of these amazing natural elixirs. Green tea, a true antioxidant powerhouse, harnesses the power of catechins to fight free radicals, keeping your body in balance and your health in check. Then we have lemon water, the citrus detoxifier. This refreshing drink not only helps to hydrate your body, but also aids in digestion, providing you with a daily detox that's as simple as squeezing a lemon into your water. Next up is ginger tea, the inflammation fighter. With its potent anti-inflammatory properties, this warm and soothing drink can help to combat everything from muscle soreness to chronic inflammation. Beetroot juice, the liver's best friend, is packed with betalains, compounds that aid in detoxification. This vibrant red drink is not just pleasing to the eye, but also beneficial for your liver health. Then there's cucumber water, the hydration hero. This refreshing concoction with its high water content keeps you hydrated while also providing a range of vital nutrients. Turmeric tea, the golden healer, combines the powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits of curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, to provide a potent health drink that can help to keep a variety of ailments at bay. Finally, apple cider vinegar, the gut guardian, is a fermented drink that's rich in probiotics and acetic acid, helping to improve digestion and support gut health. Each of these drinks, in their own unique way, contributes to cleansing your body, improving your health, and enhancing your overall well-being. The best part? They're all natural, easy to make, and can be incorporated into your daily diet. Remember, when it comes to health, nature often provides the best solutions. By embracing these natural drinks, you're not just cleansing your body, but also nourishing it with the goodness that nature has to offer. Embark on your body cleansing journey today and let nature be your guide.